Hello friends, my name is Sushma Singh. I'm an author and a transformation life coach. Today I want you to do a small visualization activity with me. I know it may feel a little off, but trust me, it's going to be very helpful, very eye-opening and powerful. Okay, so let's start. I just want you to sit back, close your eyes and see yourself on your deathbed. Yes, that is the last day of your life. Are you there? Okay. Now I want you to ask this question to yourself. What is that one thing that I regret the most in my life? I repeat the question. What is that one thing that I regret the most in my life? Now just come back, open your eyes and answer me this question. What did you saw? What is that something you regret? If you are somebody who have no regret, then congratulations, you are on the right path and just keep moving towards it. But if you're someone who has regrets, then let me guess, it would be either of two. The first one is that you must be regretting that you never took a chance in your life. You never played that big game in your life. You always, because you never wanted to come out of your comfort zone, or because you didn't have the courage, or you just don't know that you could play big in your life. Because of that, you never took a chance in your life. Or the second big regret is that you never lived for yourself. You throughout your life you just tried to be a good son or a daughter, good student, and then good employer, then good husband or a wife, and then mother or a father. You never lived your life for yourself. You always lived it for others. And this is super painful, isn't it? See, 98% of human, they live and die without realizing the power within them, just wanting them to be large, harnessed and unleashed. Now the question is how you can do that. So the first way is self-discovery. Just go within and ask yourself this question. What is there something I really want? What is my true potential? Or you can take help of anybody who really know you better. Or another way is hire a life coach. Yes, a life coach. Now you must be thinking that just because I'm a life coach, that is why I'm saying this. But trust me, it's not like that. I had been one of you 7 years back, and I had struggled a lot in my life. And during that phase, I tried to, listen to all kind of motivational speakers. I would read this self-help book. I would try to help myself any possible ways. I used to, affirm, do everything people would suggest me. But nothing was helping me until I got coached. Because coaching is a process. There are certain strategies, there are certain tools, there are step-by-step processes wherein your coach discover what are your limiting beliefs, what are there something that is holding you back, what you truly desire from your life, where you are in life and where you want to go, and then together you plan your life step by step. Where you want to reach, we'll have a plan about that. And when I went through the coaching, I actually discovered what I want in my life. And this is something that I'm living today. So from coaching, I got a lot of clarity in my life. Now, I know now where I'm heading. I have become much more confident because clarity, it brings confidence. And confidence is something that you need to succeed. And I've been very ambitious person, and clarity has brought a lot of confidence in me. Next thing is that each and every day I see all the positive aspects of my life. It's not that I'm not getting bombarded with negativity in my life. Yes, because people are same around me, but since I have changed, I can see the people changing around me, and it's not affecting me that much. Earlier it used to just hold me back. Now I know how to handle people around me and how to mold the situation according to my needs. So this is the biggest thing that coaching has done for me. And with the help of coach, I have actually designed my life. And during that time I decided that my coaching would be Dream Design Your Life, because I knew that it's possible to design your life. Nobody has to blind walk through life without knowing where they are heading. If you choose a life coach, you know you are heading where you are heading, because he will help you do that. Now, there are two biggest myths about life coaching. The first one is only a celebrity or sports person, they need coaches. See, I'm not any one of them. I'm a common person just like you. But I know that I needed a coach. And it's not a luxury, which is the second myth, that life coaching is a luxury. It's not that. It's a need, and it is required by everybody. So life coaching ultimately helps you to play the big game in your life. And it just does tremendously for you. It has done for me, it has done for so many people whom I have coached. So I know, and there are plenty of people through the world. See, it's $1 million industry, and in India it's booming now. People are realizing how life coaching can change your life, and they are opting for that, and it's really wonderful, because I know how much it helped. So I want you to be one of them. I want you to take the advantage of life coaching. And see, friends, we have just one life, and why not play the big game? Why we want to play it small? Let's there be somebody who can mentor us, who can guide us, who can help us, make our dream more achievable, and help us in moving ahead in our life. So if this conversation has been of any value to you and you feel it's worth sharing, then please do that. Thank you so much for listening to me. Friends, I really, really want you to take charge of your life. Go ahead and do something for yourself, for your self-development, for your self-improvement. Thank you so much. It has been an amazing conversation with you. Thank you.